Actually, I'd like to follow on one of the things you just said.
Okay.
In fact, rework is often a cost, but I think part of what we buy into with the DevOps approach is that when we release something, it's not finished. You know, we're going to keep changing it, we're going to keep incrementally improving it.
Right.
Even on the technical side, usually after you develop something, you then have to go back and refactor it and improve it technically. And that's an accepted part of agile techniques.
Sure.
So you don't want meaningless rework, of course,
Right.
But you do want to move quickly enough so that you're still going to have to come back and do some other things. So I just wanted to make sure we had that clarification
that's a good
there.
point. See, what you're saying, though, to me is more enhancements rework. I mean, you know, making it better and better and better. What I think we don't want to do is have things that are breaking all the time, and you have to go back and, you know, fix things that are not working right.
Right, but I'm not necessarily talking about enhancements. In fact, extreme programming, good example. The principle is you start by writing a test. You write your test before you write your code, right? And then you write your code and you keep running the test until it passes, and then you know you're done. But you're not done yet, because the third step is always that you go back and you say, how can I improve my code? How can I make the code better? Not enhancing it, but just improving it, you know, internally. So in terms of the challenges, I think DevOps is a species of lean software development.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about reducing cycle times, like Lean Six Sigma, lean
Sure.
manufacturing.
Sure.
And DevOps, the automation practices reduce the cycle time from when a developer finishes what they're doing until something gets to production. And that's this very small part of the value chain. You still have a lot of other stuff that happens before and after that. And so the challenge is, how do we reduce the cycle time on all the stuff that comes before and after? For example, the procurement process, right? If we still have a long procurement cycle before we start doing our DevOps, we haven't really reduced our cycle time meaningfully.
Right. The total cost difference.
That's right. So we have to take that overarching systems view of everything we're doing.
I love